more DNA in space. Some of the challenges are, like we talked about with plants, that fluids behave differently up here. So if you have a fluid on the Earth and it gets a little air bubble in it, the air bubble always goes to the top of the tube. In microgravity, it doesn't. It just stays right there. And so we didn't know how this was going to affect our equipment. So this was our very first chance to test this equipment out in microgravity on the space station. And we actually found that everything worked pretty much the same as Earth. The small bubbles don't bother this kind of equipment. And so this really opens up the world of sequencing in space for the future.
Hello, my name is Aiden Turturro, and I am a fourth grader from Nettleton STEAM in Jonesboro, Arkansas. We have been constructing and researching robotic arms in our fourth grade class. What is the significance of astronauts using the Canadarm2 on the International Space Station?
Aiden, fantastic question and very exciting to study robotics. You know, I studied robotics a lot in my career with NASA. So I think the significance, the main thing is we would not have a space station without the Canadarm. It was used to construct the space station. We took pieces out of the shuttle payload bay and we attached them to the pieces in orbit on the space station. So it was absolutely vital. Now that the station is constructed, we use the arm to do experiments on the outside. Sometimes we need to move equipment outside from one place to another, and sometimes we need to capture our cargo vehicles that are coming up and attach them to stations so we can get provisions up here. So there is no way we would have a space station without a robotic arm.
Hello, my name is Allison Moss, and I'm a fourth grader. My question is, can you show us how you drink water in space and how water behaves in space?
Hey, Allison, that is a great question. And we have a lot of videos, actually. If you go to nasa.gov, there are a ton of videos there. It shows you how astronauts drink water in space. And we even have a video with some really big tanks of water. They're clear, so you can see the water move around. I had a really fun experiment that was looking at fluid dynamics. And this is the question that you were asking, is fluid dynamics, the properties of fluids in space and in microgravity. So go check those out, and I bet you're going to be amazed.
Hello, my name is Bryson Gann, and I'm a third grader at Nettleton STEAM in Jonesboro, Arkansas. In third grade, we have been learning about water filtration devices. Can you tell us how your water filtration device works?
Wow, water filtration in third grade. That's amazing and awesome. So yes, we filter our water out here. We take all the liquids that we have and clean them up so we can drink them. And so what does that mean? We actually take our urine. We take the sweat that comes out of the air that goes into the humidity. We take anything that we can find. We get into a tank. We typically sort of heat the water so it evaporates, so just the clean water evaporates off and all the nasty stuff stays behind. Then we take that clean water and we actually make it even better. We filter it, we put some iodine in it to kill any bacteria, and it comes to us as pure, clean drinking water. It tastes pretty good.
Hello, my name is Amelia Westman Forbes, and I am a sixth grader. My question is for Dr. Shannon Walker. What is the routine you follow each day on the International Space Station?
Oh, what's my routine? Sorry, it was a little hard to understand. So it's actually pretty interesting. Each day is different up here. We typically get up about 6 in the morning. We have some time to read our schedule for the day, to eat some breakfast, and along about 7:30 in the morning, we start talking to the control centers all over the world. We talk to Houston, we talk to Huntsville, we talk to Moscow, we talk to Europe, we talk to Japan. We get instructions from them on what we need to do each day. So when we get up and we see our schedule, sometimes we're doing maintenance on the space station, sometimes we are doing experiments, we're doing a lot of those, and recently we just had a cargo ship come up, so we've been doing a lot of unpacking the cargo ship to get more science on the space station. We do that all day long. We get a little break for lunch, and then about 7:30 at night, we go around the world again and talk to all the ground control centers again. They tell us anything we need